Now, in this video, we will going to solve the shortest distance in the third quadrant problem by using Acad software. The problem reads as a point capital G is 25 mm below HP and is situated in the third quadrant. Its shortest distance from the intersection of XY and X1Y1 is 45 mm. Draw its projections and find its distance from VP. So to do that, first we'll go for the AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. First we're going to set the limits of the drawing, because the limits is always in AutoCAD has been set for 12,9. So I need to change this. So I will go for limits. So reset model space limit 0, 0 by default, which is the lower left corner. Accept it. The upper right corner, I will go to take it as 500, 500. Then zoom. So once I change the limits, I want to adjust the display. Otherwise, it will going to be set only, and it is only set for the previous value of the limits, which is 12,9. As we have changed the limits to 500, 500. So I need to set the display to that particular limit. For that, I will go to use the command called zoom and type A, the typing character, that is the all option. So once you do that, now we go for line command, draw a horizontal line of any distance and then draw a vertical line of any distance. And go to offset. Offset draws a parallel entity to the existing one. So I will take the sheet size of 297, which is A4. You select this vertical line and offset to the left side, and then go to offset, take the distance as 210 and take the horizontal line and offset to the top side. Then go to fillet between these two, because the radius is 0, and here between these two, and also by using the trim option. Then go to zoom window, select this and take it nearer to the screen. Now we'll go for the layer command. So once you go for the layer, first we are going to take up this, you take HP, VP, and here in this case it should be LPP, but here I have written it is RPP, but it is actually LPP. So here we go for top view as red, front view as magenta, and side view as the blue. So to do that, I will go for a layer command and then say, click on new, type the layer by name XY. Both XY and X1Y1 will have the same line weight. Then click on new, take front view, accept it, then new, type top view, enter, then new, type side view, enter. You take the side view color as blue, fine. Then you take the front view color as magenta, fine, okay. Then top view color as red, okay. Then take the XY line weight as 0.13 and say okay. Then 0 layer line weight as 0.05 and say okay, and then say close. Now we go for the text, select some point, arbitrary point, take the height as 4, then you have to type the character. A point capital G is 25 mm below HP and is situated in the third quadrant. So we want to go for problem number 8. A point capital G is 25 mm below HP and is situated in the third quadrant. Its shortest distance from the intersection of, then you take XY and X1Y1 is 45 mm. Then draw its projections and find its distance from VP. Once you do that, now we go for to solve the problem. Then try to take the zoom and bring it near to the screen. So now first we are going to draw the horizontal line and vertical line. So to do that, go to line, select some arbitrary point and drag this line. Similarly, you select some line and draw this. So I need to take the text. So here in this case I will take LPP on the left hand side sorry, then take LPP on the left hand side, and then HP, because it is in third quadrant. In third quadrant, HP is above XY line and VP below XY line. So then as I move this, so you just go to zoom window, switch off the ortho mode, take the move command, select objects, you select that, and then you enter, specify base point, take some arbitrary point and try to bring it near to this. And similarly here, you take this base point and take it on this text itself and you bring it here. Similarly, move on the text, bring it here. Once you do that, then you just go to, it's situated in the third quadrant, so naturally this can be of any distance. So you draw a line of any distance at by keeping the ortho mode on. Then as we say that 25 mm below HP, so therefore offset you take 25 mm below HP. So once you got that, then go to fillet between these two now. Once you get this, now is shortest distance from the intersection of XY, this is the intersection of XY and X1Y1 line, is 45 mm. Go to circle, take intersection of these two and take the radius as 25, and here it is 45. So once you do that, you just go to break this circle till here, and you break this arc here. Then go to erase this, then go to line. Now from the origin point you take at the rate of 100 less than 135, so measure it in counterclockwise direction. Then go to line, take INT of this and draw a horizontal line. Then go to line, take INT of this and draw perpendicular to this. So here you just go to fillet between these two and then fillet between these two. So once you do that, now you just fillet between these two also. Now you take the unwanted things out. You just take out this and you take out this and you take out this, and similarly you take out this. So you take out this. So then go to erase this, erase all these 5 entity which was unknown, which was not required, I will remove it. Now you just go click on this two, then click on these two, goes to change. So go to layer, so you make that layer as XY layer. So once you do that, and go to donut, select this as 0 and take as 3, and take the center of donut as intersection point of this, and you take the center of donut as the intersection point of this, and take this center. So once you do that, now we need to identify the text. So here I will go for the text. So here I will mark this as G, then this as G dash, then this as G dash, G, and this as G dash, then this as G double dash. And here you mark this as X, you mark this as Y, you mark this as X1, and you mark this as Y1. So once you do that, now we need to go for the dimensioning. So you just come down to DDIM, then click on modify, go to lines, and you base line spacing offset from the origin as 3, then symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 4, and then you take the text height as vertical centered above aligned with the dimension line, and take this dimension is 3 and this text height as 4. Then go to primary units, linear dimension, you just make it 0.2, or in this case first you make it as 0. Then angular dimension is okay, so all the rest of the things is fine. So once you say okay and say close. Now we go for dim vertical, you take center of this and you take intersection point of this, so this angle will be 25. Then as we want to measure the distance, you just go to dim align, you take center of this and you take INT of this, or in other words, if you want, you take dim radius, select this, and here select arc or circle, take text, type R45 and you just take it wherever you want and click. So once you do that, so now we have all the dimensions. Now I want to check this dimension. So you take dim vertical, you take center of this and take int of this, and here you go to text. So text, enter text, you just give null return. Okay, enter dimension text. So you got to get it here. Then as I don't want the text to be written here, I will say explode this X and enter, select this and it will break. Then go to erase. So here at this point you take distance, it will be 90 degrees. So here you type L equals question mark. Once you do that, you just go to move, select this and move it wherever you want. So this is how you will be able to write the text, solution for this problem. Now I need to show, or I want to change to this corresponding layers now. Since these are the two top views, you just go to layer, you make that as top view. So of course you should have taken this also, then go to layer, make that layer as top view. So you're going to get this. Then again you take this and you take this, go to layer, make that it as front view. Then you take this and you take this. So here you take this one, go to layer, make that as side view. So this is how you will be able to analyze, you will be able to solve this particular problem by using AutoCAD software. But now what I want is I need to give the dim angular between these two. So this is 45 degrees. So now I want to show the directions of projections. To do that, I will just go to leader, take nearest point on this and it should be at the other way. So you just go to leader, nearest point on this, you take this and you put the ortho on, you just click on this annotation option. Now, similarly, you just go to leader, take nearest point on this and you try to take this, okay, then click it on this annotation option. And then go to leader, take nearest point on this and you take it on this, go to annotation option. So this is how you will be able to draw the drawing by using the AutoCAD software by the shortest distance in third quadrant. So if you want, you can change this dim TED and bring it nearer to the origin. So this is how you will be. These are all the things which will going to be helpful to maintain the quality of the drawing. So that is what we were expecting to do, and that is the one which is need to be done. That is the order of the day here. And once you do that, now I need to write the text answer. L is equal to 37.42. So do I need to check? Yes, definitely distance nearest point on this, take perpendicular to this, so you will going to get it as 37.4166. So that can be written as 37.42 mm. So to write that, you will just go to the text and here you type answers. Then here, then go to the text, text height is 0. So the rotation angle of text, you make it 0. So answers, then you just go to the text, type L equals 37.42 mm. So this is how you will be able to get this answer. You just check this 37.4166. That is what I checked. So you check these two, 37.4166. So approximately it becomes 32. So that is the accuracy of the drawing at which you can make it by using AutoCAD software. So here I will just go to ortho mode. You create a box. You just create this box and you go to fillet between these two. So once you do that, then go to move this and place it. So this is how you will be able to solve this problem by using AutoCAD software. Thank you.